That's pretty good. Welcome all to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and I'm drinking some red wine. It's technically cut with some juice and pop, because I like my wine to taste like juice. So, but the craft we are doing today is somewhat familiar to something we've done before. It's a split canvas Dutch pour. And we've done one of these before on an icy blue canvas that had part of it painted a shade of like darker blue and the other part was white. And we blew some colors that were also different shades of blue, some silver. It was very Frozen-esque. But we're doing something similar to that on a smaller canvas. Let me show you. I have already pre-painted it, so I don't have to worry about the underlying canvas showing through. And so, as you can see, it's gonna be orange. My favorite colors are orange and purple, and I've been a little hesitant to try to do a pour with those colors because it's two secondary colors and I don't want them to mix and just turn to brown. So we're gonna give it a shot anyway today, where the half of the canvas is orange and we are going to be putting different shades of purple over top, kind of like a sunset, you know, one of those deep, rich, beautiful sunsets that's different shades of like purple and orange and red and those ones that I just live for. And so I've got a couple different shades of purple mixed up. I've also got one that's like a little bit yellow gold, kind of for an accent. And we're gonna see if I can create something with my two favorite colors that doesn't turn out like crap. That doesn't end up blending the colors together to make a gross shade of brown. So let's start. So as I showed you guys, I have already pre-split this canvas into two different colors. Now I don't have to worry when I pour down the orange paint about any white showing through. I've already got a nice orange base that's down and ready to go. So we have obviously orange and white prepped for this Dutch pour. I also have a kind of a yellowish gold shade, if you guys can see that. I've got some of my metallic purple. Just gotta use up the metallics while I got them. They're gorgeous. I made a light shade of purple with just regular purple and white. And then I made a interesting, it's kind of like a magenta. It's like a purplish pink color. I didn't mix up any red, but I wanted this to kind of be not just a plain purple color. I wanted something extra. So we have 4 different colors. The gold is kind of just going to be an accent. I don't want too much of that on the canvas, I don't think. So yeah, first I still need to add silicone to all my cups, because for some reason I never choose to do that off camera. So we're going to put some silicone in these, mix them up, and get the damn popsicle sticks out, because that's another thing I always forget. So let's get through that. Now I did not put any silicone into my orange and white. Those ones are just kind of my my base coats. I don't care so much about them like spreading and making beautiful cells. They're just kind of going to be underneath. So we're going to put some down. Let's see. Definitely want some white. Get as close as I can to this dividing line. And I also kind of want to go along the edges as well, because I like when the paint sort of pours over. And I also like it to be all one consistent white, which is another reason why I'm putting a white coat down. All right. So there's white. Let's do just a little bit of orange. So we got our orange and our white down. I'm gonna pop any air bubbles. I'm gonna take a quick drink before we start. All right. So I've got some of this metallic purple. Here's some of the light purple. Here is some of the like magenta shade. I'm gonna do a little bit more of this metallic purple because I love it. And then we're gonna do some thin strips of yellow. This is kind of like an accent. Move these out of my way. And then we're going to do white to blow over top. And there's some orange. Let's get the hairdryer and blow it over. Just a preemptive heat gun hit. And then we're gonna go ahead and try to blow this out. All right, now I'm going to blow it out just a little bit with my mouth without dunking my hair in it. All right, let's see, what else can I? All right, now let me hit it with a heat gun. I can already see some cells showing up. All right. There, kind of scraping off some of the orange. Some of the cells looked a little, I don't know, I wasn't a big fan of them. Kind of cover it up with some of the orange. Well, let's see. I kind of like that we've got some white blending into this. We've got some orange going in over here. Okay, well that's cool. I wanted to kind of try to make some more lacing, like what's going on the white side. But I don't want to do too much because, like I said, I don't want to like muddy this up. I also want to put just a little bit more white. Kind of do the same thing on this side. Just to clean up. Just to clean up some of the edges. And I think other than that, guys, honestly, I think I'm done. Compared to the that goddess pour I did last week, I feel like that one was just like correcting and like trying to fix my mistakes. Like over and over again. But this one turned out so cool. I like that I've got some white leaking in over to the orange. I got some orange to leak over into the white. Both sides have beautiful cells, hints of yellow, just super, super cool lacing, and I don't think any of it looks gross or muddied down. I'm gonna call it quits. I'm super happy with this. So once this is dry, we're gonna top gloss it. It's gonna look super cool. I'm hoping that it will be nice outside so I can take it outside and show you guys again, like with all my other pieces. Like, there's nothing better than natural light. So we will tune back in when this is all set and dry. As promised, I brought her outside so you guys could take a nice look. And here she is. I really like it. My fiance says it kind of reminds him of like a volcanic explosion, like lava. I think it's super cool. I love all of these cells that turned out. I love the balance between the orange and the purple, and there's even yellow that showed up. So I am super pleased with this piece. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I had some leftover paint, and I did an itty mini one too. And she's super cute as well. Well, thank you everyone for watching my video. All of my links are down below in the description box. We got Facebook, Instagram, PayPal if you guys are feeling like tipping. I also have some pieces up for sale on my Facebook page if you are interested in looking at those. Hope you guys are all staying safe, staying healthy. Big shout out to all of those essential workers that are out there. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy as well. And I will see you all for my next video.